Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we are going to see the simple topic called natural join in relational algebra. The previous session, however, I explained about the relational algebra, what is relational algebra and what are the operations could perform with the help of DBMS. Please kindly check the playlist when you have doubt and continue of the classes. When you like the channel, please subscribe and comment in the comment box and share with your friends. Let's go for session. So natural join is the one. What you can say means we can perform it will performed if there is a common attribute that is column between the two relations. Let's assume there will be two table. I'll say with a simple example here. So I'm using the as a pointer. Okay, so the name and type or domain of the attribute must be same. And also here, what you can understand here means natural join does not use any comparison operator. Here remember, and also it does not concatenate the way a Cartesian product does like that. Moreover, it always returns the similar attributes only once as their value will be saved in the receiving relation. Let's see the example. Let's assume that I have two tables. That customer and the table first one customer where I have information about customer ID, customer name, age like 101, Ajay, age is 20. Similarly, 102, Vijay to 19, and so on. So 4 rows is there. Another table I have 3 rows and data the data will be there 3 rows, that is customer ID, customer name, that is order name and cost. So 101 and pizza cost is 500. Similarly 103 noodles 300 like that is there. So now how can I perform the join natural join? So if you perform the natural join, we can use the symbol join symbol. So you can perform. Just now I told you if you have two tables, what that means which is common, that only you can code concatenate here. So let's here see 101 Ajay is the 20. So here also say the table the attribute available like 101 pizza y01. So we can perform the we can make it bring out and make the new table where we can give the information customer ID, name, age, order name and cost also. So we are going to merge the two table, so you can get the data like 101 Ajay, age is 20 and order name is pizza, the order name is pizza, then cost is 500. And next we say 102 and Ajay is not available, so we can't do anything here. We can't perform the natural join because we just now told you it will only be performed if there is a common attribute or column between the two relations. Then we go for 103. Yes, customer also 103 is there. Here also 103 is there. So we can merge and from the order customer join order here, that is natural join. So we can, after coming what we will get 103, that customer name is Sita and age is 21 and order name is noodles and cost is 300. So we can perform and bring out the natural join very easily. And next data is like 104 Geeta 22, but here 108 is there. Both are not common, so we can't perform the natural join. So like that, we can bring out the customer join order very easily, and this suitable for only few things. Let's see the drawbacks here. So drawbacks, we can say what means we can only perform, it can be only performed if there is a common attribute between the two relations. If there will be a common attribute, we can perform the natural join, otherwise highly impossible. Then it may lead to a data loss if attributes to be matched have different names or some values are present in the both in the table. So let's assume that here both some values are common, that also problem for the natural join. These are about the natural join. The upcoming session will explain. I will explain the another operations, join operations. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.